going on, everybody? Balls here again with another unboxing video. Haven't done one of these in a while, so hopefully this is a good one. Came across these on Facebook on a page that I'm on, and the guy was nice enough to work with me on shipping and the price and all that fun stuff, so I ended up picking these up. I'm hoping these are shipped through UPS. I don't really ever have good luck with stuff being shipped to UPS, so this is kind of a hopeful everything arrives safely, because if not, then I'm going to be a little upset. So looks like, take a look here, there are two speakers in here. Get the pool noodle out of the way. There's pool noodle number 1, pool noodle number 2, pool noodle number 3. The thing I'm concerned about is that the magnets are sitting over here and this one over here, and there's not really any protection on this side of the box. So I'm hoping that everything is okay. But I bought these knowing that they needed new surrounds on them. So get the box out of the way. So there we have two 8-inch punch XLC subs. So freely moving. Ooh. I don't know about this one. That one's questionable. So what we have here, flip these around. These are, bring this in and zoom in here, RFP2408. These are the 4-ohm model, the XLCs. So there's that one. And we'll do this one as well. Of course, they're both identical. 4-ohm XLC. My first pair of Rockford Fosgate subwoofers that I ever owned were the 12-inch XLC subs. And I loved them. I liked them quite a bit. So these, I figured, I've already got a pair of the HE versions that I ended up having to put new surrounds on. One of them, I forgot to zoom back in for you guys. One of them had a shifted motor on it that I had to rebuild. The other one I just put the new surround on. But these, I'll take these apart, clean them up, and hopefully it'll be good to go. Yeah. This one just has, I don't know. I'll have to take a look at this one a little bit. Let's see what the spiders look like. Spiders are good. This one just seems to have a little bit of rub maybe to it. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. Anyway, real quick unboxing video today, guys and gals. So if you have any questions or comments, I notice there's been more and more people commenting and asking questions on some of the older videos that I have on here. I normally respond to questions or comments usually same day. So if you have any questions or comments, or if you're looking for something, I'm always willing to help somebody out. So let me know. If I can't point you in the right direction, or I don't have it, then I don't know. So anyway, have a good one, guys.